bed.
Wait, what
That's
the?
literally broken
Really?
in half and fucking the law.
Right, nice cut off, and why don't you move over there if you're going to turn right anyways? Really, dude?
That is so beautiful.
Isn't that what we all wanted too when we were in the church? Right? So how?
Oh,
that's
jeez,
my
left
thing.
turn
How
guy.
can I be that person that I needed? I said, you know what? I need you to prove yourself. Like I need you to show up now. And I remember I went to my bedroom and I shut the door and I wept. I wept and I wept.
Exit dive.
I said, God, it's now or never. I need you here. I need you.
Exit dive. Bring on the exit dive. Nope. Elon. The Nissan driver over there does not have their headlights on. They probably just have those stupid DLRs on. It's like if a car is going to have automatic lights, they should just be headlights, and they turn on the lights in the back as well. But no, Nissan has to be stupid and design their cars stupidly so they can give out those low interest rates and high approvals and blah 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 blah. Yeah.
Mr. Goldsmith is technically got a point.
Nope.
We need to understand what a fundamental threat to the American.
First we got a pedestrian, and now we got a guy that probably doesn't know how the left turn lane works. Yeah, you don't know how the left turn lane works. What are you doing? Red light run. Screwborough. What the hell's that guy? You couldn't figure out that there were cones there and you couldn't turn left? Really? Okay, I think I know why people are making that left into there. It's because it looks like someone moved the cones out of the way. Like, moving those cones will take care of the problem over there, because he won't be able to... No one's going to be able to make that left turn. Someone moved the cones out of the way of that left turn lane. Red light run. Red light run.
Your dad's all manic and excited for the first fucking half a steak. And then by the end of it, your mom's crying. All right.
Red light run. 2 of them.
Have children, then grandchildren. And with each generation, the one would speak of a scary
Seriously,
face
you had
within meters.
way more room.
Standing in darkness, enchanted under a spell. Those who said
at Savannah Hilton Head International Airport, and I mean literally cut in.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run.
Idiots and kids are stupid, so 30,000 of them supposedly gather about Stefan. And in this tale, they're also like
Red light
X-Men
run.
And they claim they all have special magic Jesus presence as well as the ability to do miracles.
Give them the language of
No, stop.
It's really, really complex. People are
Do that. You go fucking play Chilkoot Charlie's in fucking Anchorage, Alaska, and sleep in a fucking bed.
Wait, what
that's
the?
literally broken
Really?
in half and fucking the long way. Go fuck yourself.
Go to the website, fill out a questionnaire, and he will give you 3 to 5 different endorsed local providers for whatever you're looking for. Real estate, investment, whatever.
Red light
And all
run.
of the
Red light
investment-
run. Red light run. Volvo, that doesn't look very safe to do that. Nice cutoff. Okay. Masso left. Nope.
I'm going to take the Packers again. I'm going to take the Packers.
Red light run.
I don't know who the Rams are. 1 week the Rams win, the next week I don't know. I'm going to.
No stop. Really? Red light run. Red light run. Red light run.
Stick around and continue to do this work and build and grow your practice, but you've not picked the most lucrative projects to work
Nope.
on. I see other firms dabble in this
Utah.
as like a way to do marketing. Like
The legend Michael had heard, the name Best Buy was York, conjured up a more dangerous and evil one.
Yeah, nice cutoff.
So slender, with a few months, and it was comforting to know that the man was deeply in his debt. He would not be ungrateful. He had already shown.
Wait, what the?
He
In front of a
word and
freaking
deed
car?
every day
Really?
with respect and gratitude to the end. He did not have the heart of the freedom. He either so,
No stop.
no more foolish. Come to get you.
No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. If we're in Connecticut, that's not a real law here. I'm not mad at him. Whatever. Stop saying what the trolls say. No trucks in the left lane. No. If you cannot be there. If we're in another state, like Connecticut, for example, but that's not the law here because odds are he's going to exit left and go to the airport or something. I am not mad at him. I'm just making fun of him because this is a stupid song that I sing at the end of all my videos because, well, I'm stupid or something. I don't know. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye!